Socotra Island is an island unto itself. This minor island situated in the Indian Ocean is a territory of Yemen. Situated 380 kilometers south of the Arabian Peninsula and 80 kilometers east of the Horn of Africa, this island is exceedingly small, attributable to its extremely isolated geographical location. Socotra Island is home to endemic plant and animal species. The island of Socotra features one of the world's most distinctive natural landscapes. Additionally, the island is adorned with several breathtaking canyons. This island's allure is enhanced by its clear flowing rivers, expansive stretches of white sand beaches, and charming traditional villages. Additionally, this island is teeming with rare flora that are not found elsewhere. Thus, Socotra is also considered one of the terrestrial realms. Rare animals also inhabit Socotra Island. In addition to peculiar flora, the species in question has not been discovered elsewhere globally, and is confined to this secluded island. 90% of all reptile species and 192 bird species reside on Socotra Island, where 44 bird species deposit their eggs. Scientific research has identified 22 critical bird areas situated on this island. Illustrative instances of avian species that are exclusive to this particular island include the Socotra grosbeak, Socotra starling, Socotra sunbird, and Socotra sparrow passer insularis. Socotra is designated as a biodiversity conservation area due to its exceptionally diverse and abundant flora and fauna. The island contains 825 distinct plant species. There are 308 in total that are endemic, are unique to Earth. This island is home to 90% of reptile species and 95% of terrestrial snail species. In addition, this island is home to a minimum of 192 bird species, several of which are endangered. In addition to its rich marine biodiversity, Socotra is home to 730 species of littoral fish, 253 species of reef-forming coral, and 300 species of crab, lobster, and shrimp. In 2008, UNESCO honored the diversity of Socotra by designating it as a World Heritage Site. Around the coastal highlands of Socotra Island, there is an abundance of precipitation during the rainy season. This results in the formation of dense fog along the coast. Conversely, annual temperature stability is observed. More specifically, from extremely chilly to hot, they will behold this enigmatic fog that envelops the coastline. Socotra Island's most recognizable tree is called the dragon's blood tree. This tree, distinguished by its needles oriented upwards, veined branches, and remarkable symmetry, is frequently the initial visual element evoked when one contemplates the enigmatic island in question. Although certain flora and fauna may lack the aesthetic appeal of the dragon's blood tree, it exemplifies the peculiarities that can be observed throughout the island of Socotra. A portion of the dragon blood trees had accumulated millennia of age. A unique in appearance, this tree resembles an umbrella and is frequently used as medication. The inhabitants of Socotra regard this dragon's blood tree in the same manner as a spiritual healer and shaman. It is referred to as the dragon's blood tree because it produces blood-red fluid when scratched. Furthermore, with regard to dragons, an anecdote states that a dragon was once wounded in battle with an elephant. According to another legend, the dragon was doomed to transform into a tree for destroying paradise. To return to the subject of tree fluid, the inhabitants of Socotra frequently utilize it as a medicinal substance. It has been demonstrated for centuries that this sap can be used to alleviate illness. Additionally, the dragon's blood tree is exceptional in that it can flourish in arid environments. This tree obtains sustenance and moisture from rainwater that seeps through its branches. Additionally, the dragon's blood tree's foliage are coated in wax. This is responsible for water storage, after which it is distributed to every part of the tree. Additionally, shapes such as umbrellas serve a distinct purpose. Because of the umbrella-shaped branches, The tree spores and roots are shaded. Consequently, transpiration is diminished.